In this quick guide, I'll be showing you Baked for Banshee, which we need to retrieve evidence of trade in Tiger Bay and report back, and at the same time, Narcotic Bargain, which yet again we need to find evidence and report back. This is a pick one, do only one mission. We have two different traders asking for the same task, and we can only hand it into one of them. Essentially, what you'll do is you'll head all the way to Tiger Bay in the far east side of the map over here. Zooming in near the center of the mall on the northeast side over here is one of the entrances that I'd recommend you come to. In this area, you'll find Cake Time, this yellow spotty wall, and the rest of the shops around here. It's very difficult to pinpoint, but this is exactly where I am here, pretty much in the middle right of 129 198. Coming to this yellow door over here, we'll head in, then we'll go left through this single door, right through these double doors, and in here, all the way to the very end after going left, you'll find this door over here, just before it opens up into another shop, and in here we have a little storage room with a double fridge in it. Over here on the top of the shelf, you'll find a suspicious box. You simply need to pick that up and you're done with this quest. There's a few ways into this area, and once again, this is exactly where I am, in the bottom middle of 129 198. This area is difficult to get to, not just because of the bots, but because it's just so hidden and confusing to find. I'd recommend clearing out pretty much the entire area before pursuing any missions in the area, as it's just so dangerous. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.